Hello everyone, my name is Pri and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling vegan beginner lunches. And the reason why there's beginner lunches included in the title is because when you start out as a vegan or on a plant-based diet, maybe you're overwhelmed with the sheer amount of recipes and images out there. And this video is just to sort of help you anchor yourself, something that's really easy and flavors that you're already familiar with, so you can sort of have these in the background while you experiment with those new flavors and recipes. So this is just something that you can whip up in under 15 minutes that you're already used to, so it won't be too hard on your stomach. And yeah, it's just super easy as well. So let's get started. We are gonna make spicy mushroom fajitas. We need tortillas, bell peppers, red onion, avocado, mushrooms, and cilantro. Slice the mushrooms. You can use any variety that you like or what's available to you. I'm also thinly slicing up half a red onion, one red bell pepper into thin strips. Into a heated pan, add some oil and add your veggies. I'm using a grill pan for some extra charring, but you can use a normal pan as well. We're gonna cook that for 5 to 6 minutes on high heat. Then I'm sprinkling on 1 tablespoon of this fajita seasoning. You can also use taco seasoning. Once that's cooked and a little charred, we're gonna take that off the heat. Then to a tortilla, we're gonna add our delicious veggies, top it up with some freshly sliced avocado, cilantro, if you like cilantro, and a sauce of your choice. I'm using sriracha because I like it to be a little spicy. The best thing about this dish is that it's easily customizable, so you can use whatever you have at home and the vegetables that you like and fill it up with toppings and sauces of your choice, like guacamole or salsa. I sometimes like plant-based yogurt with some lime. It's just something that's guaranteed to taste good and it's super easy to make. Next, we're gonna make a no-brainer lentil bolognese, perfect for a packed lunch or a warm lunch at home. This is one of the lunches I used to have very often in the beginning just because it's so easy and it's also a taste that I'm familiar with. I used to eat pasta a lot, and instead of just adding the meat part, I would just switch it up to the lentils, and it's super easy and it's really good for a packed lunch. You can have it cold or warm. It's just a staple beginner meal. We need marinara sauce, lentils, garlic, and spaghetti. Very easy ingredients to find. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to prepare the sauce. Into a hot pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil, then add 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, and cook that for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we're going to add our 1 cup of brown lentils from a jar or homemade. Add in 1 jar or 350 grams of marinara sauce. Give that a quick stir. I also like to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Then season it with some dried herbs and salt to your taste. Let that cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the pasta is ready. Add the spaghetti and mix it with the sauce. And that's it, you guys. Super easy, warm and savory lentil bolognese. If you like, you can make larger portions and store in the fridge as meal prep. It's definitely one of the easiest meals to make, and it also involves less food cutting and washing up. Next, we are making a simple and tasty pasta salad. So this is perfect if you have any leftover pasta from dinner that you want to use. For this meal, I'm using red peppers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, fresh baby spinach, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. I'm slicing the cherry tomatoes. I love how sweet and tart they are. I'm using about 8, and then I'm gonna slice up 1 bell pepper. I'm also thinly slicing half a red onion. Peel and slice half an avocado, and into the bowl add in your cooked pasta. Add 1 cup of baby spinach, some black olives, and then I'm adding 3 chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Try to look for the unsalted version. And then in goes in our chopped veggies. Add equal amounts of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. I'm using a tablespoon of each, but you can add 2 tablespoons or 3 if you wanted to have more sauce. Season with some salt, and we're gonna mix all that together. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard and stirring that in. And yeah, our pasta salad is done. Pack it up for lunch or chill it in the fridge to have it whenever you feel like. It's fresh, creamy and crunchy, and I love that it's a little bit cold. It's just so easy to make as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, there's a beginner series coming out for breakfast and dinners as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time.